Scene script. How often do we ponder the gears that turn behind the scenes to ensure our vehicles don't just perform, but excel? Consider this. Without a robust framework during the production phase, even the sleekest cars might falter on quality. Today, we delve into the heart of automotive excellence, the Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, specifically focusing on Phase 4. Scene script, Phase 4 of APQP, often termed the product and process validation phase, functions as the final test bench where theories and prototypes meet reality. Here, manufacturers ensure that the product meets customer requirements and is ready for mass production. The first step in this phase involves the input documents, which are essentially the baton passed from the earlier phases of APQP. These documents include the design validation report and the process validation report. Imagine these as detailed analyses in Excel, where each row represents a specific test run, and columns are dedicated to parameters like test conditions, results, and compliance with design specifications. Next, we transition into the output documents. The primary outputs are the Production Part Approval Process, or PPAP documents. These are critical as they serve as the green light for full-scale production. In an Excel format, this would typically be laid out as a checklist with each part requirement listed alongside its approval status, test data, and actual measurements compared to the design specifications. Another crucial output document is the Initial Process Studies, often summarized in an Excel sheet showing capability indices like CP and CPK, ensuring the process meets the requisite quality levels consistently. Let's not overlook the control plan, a detailed document that outlines every process step, control points, and actions to address potential failures. In Excel, this would appear as a table with process steps in the first column, followed by corresponding control measures, and the designated responsible team or individual. Lastly, the production validation testing results, which confirm whether the product, as manufactured, meets the defined durability and performance standards. These results would also be efficiently organized in Excel, with tests listed row by row and columns for test conditions, outcomes, and any deviations from expected results. In conclusion, the documents in Phase 4 of APQP are not just paperwork, but are pivotal in bridging the gap between prototype and a quality mass-produced product. They ensure that every vehicle meets stringent standards, thus safeguarding consumer trust and enhancing brand reputation. Whether it's through detailed Excel sheets tracking every minute detail or rigorous validation processes, the thoroughness of Phase 4 cannot be understated. Indeed, in the realm of automotive manufacturing, the devil is in the details, and these documents ensure that nothing, absolutely nothing, is left to chance.